Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the best source available: original PNG, JPG, or a clear photograph. Once you have that, open a simple image editor and duplicate the layer to preserve the original. This prevents mistakes. Increase contrast and convert to grayscale so the dark modules and light background separate clearly. Next, use a steady smartphone camera at a straight angle, 90 degrees, to capture a backup scan, because multiple sources improve chances of successful decoding. Now you focus on cleaning and restoring the actual modules. First, deskew and correct perspective so the QR grid is square. This makes decoding algorithms work. Once aligned, tweak levels, raise blacks and lower whites to strengthen module boundaries. Apply a light to speckle or median filter to remove glare or dust. If small modules are missing, zoom in and use a pixel-perfect pencil tool to fill them. Do this sparingly, because QR error correction can handle some damage, and you don't want to alter valid data. Finish by testing the repaired image with multiple decoders. Use a phone app, a desktop program, and an online decoder to compare outcomes. Once a reader succeeds, export the file as a high-resolution PNG at 300 dpi to preserve sharp edges for printing or further scanning. If it still fails, make one key troubleshooting move. Revert to the original and either increase contrast more, redo the manual fills carefully, or regenerate the QR with a higher error correction level so it tolerates damage better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.